CM 365, all about Carnatic music. I have always been awed by the way different composers have looked at the same raga from various dimensions. And I suppose this is what makes our music very, very unique, where each composer lends his own imagination to the ragam and gives it a new color. I'll just take one example of Keeravani. Of course, there are not too many compositions in this ragam, but I want to focus on a very unique point here. Tyagaraja has composed Kaligi Unte. In this song, you see that the starting itself is such that it focuses on the Adhara Shadja, like Kaligi Unte Gadaya Galgonu. It started on the Adhara Shadja and then finally also ended on the Sa. Another example we could take is Ni Charana Bujamunu. Ni Charana Bujamunu Neranam Miti. Where, though it did start in the Tarasthai, it finally came and landed on the Adhara Shadja. Now, if you look at Sri Papanasam Sivan, he has composed this Karuna Karane Shivakara Shankarane, where you see that it operates on the Shadja and then the Mandrasthai, like Karuna Karane Shiva Shankarane Karuna Karane Shiva Shankarane Karuna Karane Shiva Shankarane. So you saw that the Sa was given due focus in all these three compositions. And for every composition, we see that though sometimes the Adhara Shadja may be the focal point, and sometimes it so happens that the composition starts in the Tarasthai, but nevertheless it comes down, flows into the Adhara Shadja and goes back in its course. So the Sa actually makes a lot of sense in terms of understanding the nature of the notes of the raga itself. So, but here, very interestingly, we see that one composition of Shivan, a very popular composition. So, I suppose you know this composition, but you wouldn't have noted this particular uniqueness of this. The composition is, of course, Devi Niye Tunai. This song we all know, but did you ever realize that in this whole composition, Papanasam Shivan has never touched the Adhara Shadja at all in any point of time? Let me sing it to you and then probably you can relate to what I am saying. Devi Niye Tunai Tilmadurai Var Minalochani. I am singing only the structure, not going into the Sangatis, but for you to understand the point I am making. Devadi Deval Sundareshal Chitto Kavar Bhuvana Suldari Ambate Evi. Even in the Charanam, you see he flows and comes till the Rishabha but does not touch the Shadja at all, and then again moves back in the ascending order. Malayadvajal Madhavame Kanchana Malai Pudalvi Maharagni Alai Magal Kalai Magal Panikirvani Amudanaya Iniya Muttamil Valartha Devi. Where you saw that all the notes here bear relation to the Tarasthai Shadja, and in the whole composition, he never at all touched the Adhara Shadja or any of the Mandarasthai. So this is again a very unique thought process, I would say, of Papanasam Shivan. Don't you think that this was really very, very unique, where the composer, without touching the Adhara Shadja, established Keeravani so well for us?
CM 365, all about Carnatic music.